4 type of content. I'm going to even give you up to 6 type of content if you dey create now. Easy content, we go to fetch you nothing less than $1,000 in a month. The first one is what we call.
Are you tired of the rising cost of living and the constant struggle to make ends meet in Nigeria? Many are protesting with #EndBadGovernance, a 10-day protest that is hoped to end on the 10th of August, 2024. Others are feeling the pinch of high unemployment and unbearable inflation. But, Nigerian youths, there is hope. Imagine tapping into a new form of oil money that can help you cushion the effects of this economic hardship. This new oil money is called content creation. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make at least $1,000 a month from Facebook alone by creating content. Get ready to become the boss of your own destiny. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. One of the top content creators in Nigeria has this to educate you. Listen.
How to make your first $1,000 from Facebook. And they tell people say if you dey do government work, government job, and they pay you $100,000 in a month, you are suffering. You dey suffer, but you don't even know. You know that because now, check your monthly expenses. Let's be real. Check your monthly expenses, your rent and the rest, your feeding expenses for that month, and that $100,000. You not even tally. That's suffering. Because if you earn the same amount of money for too long, that's the fastest way to become poor. The fastest way to become poor is earning the same amount of money for too long. This month you earn $100,000. Next month you earn $100,000. Then the next upper month again you earn $100,000. That's the fastest way to become poor, because the mathematical sign of wealth is multiplication, not addition. What if they do now 100,000 plus 100,000? You go give 200,000. But creating wealth, you need multiplication. 100,000 times 100,000. That's the fastest way to become rich. You know that's a multiplication. All this is now what my father don't understand. And the reason why he died a poor man. My father served government for more than 35 years of his life. He built 2 bungalows. The first one he built at his youthful age. Then the second one he managed to build them after 35 years of serving government. They copy a pension. Before they go pay the gratuity concert, he don't die. Because frustration, this country, show and waiting, you understand. So I quickly realized all these things. I don't say more. I don't work for anybody for my life. I don't work for anybody for my life. I don't work for anybody for my life. How to make your first $1,000 from Facebook. First of all, congratulations to all Nigerians, because everybody we get access to internet and you get phone and you get Facebook for your phone. You can easily make money from your Facebook by just uploading videos on a daily basis. The questions people they ask me all the time, Gege, please, how do I make money? How do I monetize my page? I they love them. That's not the right question to ask. How do I monetize my content? You don't monetize page, you monetize your content. Now all these people they come out to me, Gege, I want to monetize my Facebook. You want to monetize Facebook? Are you creating content? No. Do you upload videos on the Facebook? No. So what do you want to monetize? Because now your video when you create, when you upload, when person watch, he like them, he engage with the video, he share them. Now that's in Facebook they calculate, they pay you. So if you know they do anything with the Facebook, you're creator for them, they expect to make money. That's the fastest way to become poor. I don't really know. The reason why people don't really like me, somebody come in one day, say, Gege, anytime I watch your video, they be like say they talk to me direct. Say because they be like say, now me you the hit, because are they very raw. If the person will say you want to be very careful with words, not be me. We are take grow up, we not deal like that. As they hit me with what they hit you back. You know that's why they tell you the way to be. So now, instead of focusing on how to monetize your page, why not focus on how to create content? Because now the video where you create, where you upload, where person watch, now what you go fetch you money. You know that. So 4 type of content. I'm going to give you up to 6 type of content if you create now. Easy content, we go to fetch you nothing less than $1,000 in a month. The first one is what we call blogging. Any videos where they trend, like the way recently, about a few weeks to this week now, a very dark man videos they trend on Insta blog, gossip me. If you follow all those blogs, any video where you say they trend, where blogs they carry up and down, if you carry all those videos, share your public opinion on those particular topics. That's what blogging. You know understand? Any topic where they trend, like what they trend now. Maybe let's say for instance, now the time we see a very dark man and Davido marriage they trend. Or now if you see me when I see make a lot of videos from that thing, I know how much those videos fetch me. You know understand? If you carry those videos, share your opinion as a Nigerian, because this thing are public something and everybody still need your own opinion on those particular issues. You share your opinion. That's one easy content where if you create, will they fetch you up to $1,000 in a month. You know understand? Then number 2 content if they create again to make up to $1,000 in a month is what we call reaction content. If you carry your fellow content creators videos like my own, if you carry any other content creator video where you like or where you admire, you carry that they react to the video. If you just they crop the video small, the way this my video, then if you just crop as small, put your picture or your video for the background, they react to the two the person they talk. You go see put out the people go watch them, at the end of the day, they go what? Like and share them, and Facebook will still pay you for that month. You know that. But make sure say before you carry any content creator video, you not copyright those videos. If not, if you go carry content creators will be say that they copyright their videos, Facebook will strike your video and that will fit affect your page. So they very careful. So sometimes before you even use any content creator videos, reach out to them. If you send a DM to them, say, sir, madam, I beg you, I feel use your videos on my page. If they agree for you, use them. You know that's for my own now. You don't need permission from me because I don't give free permission. Use them as you like. Edit them. Make it different from the original one. And when you go, you make a small video. Even if you not talk for that video, if you don't do video, they react. Add that one, so that you go different from the original one. So Facebook now share you for originality of content. So you go they stay people content because what if Facebook they pay for now majorly original content. They don't they play with that one. They don't they let me go they carry people creativity. Maybe go they stay people work. They put for your page. So the only way to make a day like original, so you be the original creator of that content. You need to add something way be your own. If it be your voice. If you crop am, if you fast forward the person through editing, if you fast forward with the person they talk, if you fast forward the things more, maybe they talk it very fast. Then call your add your picture, your video, join them. Bam, it don't differ from the original one. So if you post another, you could be the original creator of that one when you post. You know understand? So when you get these small tricks, it will really help you because some content creators they're very stingy. They are very stingy. Everything that they put out there, and I'm not going to really blame them because you know, expect to be say it take more than 2 hours of his time to create content for them. You go carry out for them, go put up for your page. And the worst thing is that I know some of my videos will be say me will create the video upload on my page. I don't even get up to 50,000 views on those videos, but people carry my videos and get 2 million views. Now what they tell you say if you are a content creator creating content and nobody they watch your video, not give up. That did not mean say you're not good. No, you good. Now you say you never get the right platform. You never get the right platform because those are the same videos where they create where they face nothing they happen for them. So if another content creator would already get a platform way big, he can't carry that your video go upload on his platform. That video will not even reach out to 1,000 views for your page. If you go get 5 million views for your page, so you are good. Now you say normally everybody get time. Your time never comes. So be very patient. Consistency. Now wait till they win this game. It is better for you to upload 1 video every day than say you upload 10 videos today. Tomorrow you not gonna show up. No, every day. Consistency and persistency. Now wait till they win the game. If you see every content creator will be saying they watch the way they enjoy content at a time in his life, you upload video tired, nobody watch her, but you not give up. And the sweetest thing about Facebook money is that this month if you go make $100, next month again if you go make $2,000, next month that's much more the money they come. But the sweetest thing about them is say the more your platform they grow, the more your money and your income they increase. Now why I talk that thing say if you make the same amount of money for too long, it's a problem. You know understand because if you make $100 this month because your audience never many, your engagement never many, people never to they watch plenty your videos like that. But the more your audience they big, the more your platform they big, the more money you are making. There was a girl when I put you for the same content recently, never took a few months ago. Now her page already up to 20,000 followers. She make first money where she makes about $100. $100. But now she they get like 300. Sometimes some months you get like 500. Sometimes it depends on how well your videos are performing. And the more you say, the more your platform does they big, the more money you make. That's what the thing just be. You know understand? So number 3 content ideas we go feed the first up to $1,000 in a month. It's what we call challenge. See all this food challenge. Or this game, food challenge, you put like 3 people for ground, put money for the front. Oh yeah, who first shop the food finish, go take this money. All those type of content people did because all those type of content not get enemy. Everybody they watch those type of content. They want to finish the food, all those things. People go still watch them. This video not too long, and I go end here.
I hope you have gained value from this video. Do not forget to like and share this video. Drop a comment on your experiences or fears with content creation, and we shall discuss the way forward to help ourselves and not to depend solely on the government. Also, follow our account for more educative videos on personal development.